Hey everyone! Today, let's dive into something super important for all my friends from India, Nepal, Bangladesh and Pakistan who are thinking about working in Poland's factories. We're talking salaries in 2024. First things first, Poland has become a popular destination for factory jobs, thanks to its growing economy and relatively straightforward work visa process. So, what's the cash situation like? All right, let's break it down. On average, factory workers in Poland can expect to earn around 3,500 to 4,500 Polish zloty per month. That's about 940 to 1,200 US dollars. Not bad, right? But of course, this depends on your skills, experience, and the specific factory you work at. For entry-level positions, you might start on the lower end, closer to 3,000 PLN. But don't worry, with a bit of experience under your belt, you can quickly move up to higher pay brackets. Skilled workers or those in specialized roles can even hit 5,000 PLN or more. Now you might be wondering about overtime. Good news! Overtime in Poland is usually paid at a higher rate, often 150% of your hourly wage. So those extra hours can really boost your monthly take-home pay. But let's not forget about the cost of living. Poland is relatively affordable compared to many Western European countries. Rent, food and transportation won't eat up all your earnings. For example, renting a one-bedroom apartment in a city centre might set you back around 2,000 PLN, but it's much cheaper in the suburbs or smaller towns. And hey, Poland's got a vibrant culture and lots to explore, so it's not all work and no play. You'll also find plenty of South Asian communities here, making it easier to feel at home. So, to wrap it up, if you're from India, Nepal, Bangladesh or Pakistan and you're considering a factory job in Poland, 2024 looks promising. With competitive salaries, opportunities for overtime and a reasonable cost of living, it's definitely worth exploring. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this info helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Catch you in the next one.